Hello lovelies. Let's turn this blanket stitch into something a bit more lovely. We're going to use a lazy daisy stitch to just improve on this blanket stitch. As you can see with this blanket stitch, every other one is done short. And we're going to bring our needle up through the fabric at the top of that first straight line, and we're going to make a loop. We're going to go back through the fabric. We're not bringing it all the way through just yet. We're then going to come up a little way away through the loop, and then we're going to go behind that stitch, that loop, and tack it in place for your first petal. Do this, you can do sets of 3, 4, as many as you like. Do this all the way along on every alternate long bit of your blanket stitch. Happy stitching!